Yo, what is going on, peeps? Welcome back to another video. And today we're actually going to do the headlight restoration. I got the clear coat, got the sandpaper. So I've searched a little bit about this. I never done it. I mean, I've done before regular headlight restorations, but it's never been like nothing like out of like sanding it down a lot and then doing the clear coat and all that stuff. Basically, I got in touch with a buddy over on Instagram and I asked him, wait, hold on, let me see if this focus. I asked him like, hey, how do you do it? And he was telling me you start with 800, then you move on to 1,000, and then you clear. You don't want to go to like 2,000, even though I ended up buying 2,000, which I'm gonna go return. I ended up buying 2,000. He said don't hit it with 2,000 because you want the paint to stick. If not, it's gonna ship. So let me give you guys a quick look at my headlights, how they are. These are OEM, your OEM Stanley headlights or whatever. The chrome on the inside is obviously shipping. I definitely, you know, this is just a quick restoration on this one, so this can last for a little bit and they could look good until I get the SIR ones with the city light, with those I really want. And then look at here how this looks. You know, it's just they need it. They need the restoration. They definitely do. But anyways, I'm gonna move the car back a little bit. I have it parked here in the back. I'm gonna move it back a little bit so I can give you guys time lapse, and then I guess I'll guide you guys on it, on how to do it. I've never done it. Hopefully it comes out good. Don't kill me in the comments. Basically, it's kind of quick. 800 one way, one direction. 800. I think 1,000 after that. Yeah, 1,000 after that. But I think it's the other way. You go the opposite way, so you can delete the scratch marks from the 800, and then I guess from there you just kind of polish a little bit and then you just clear. But other than that, we'll go from there. So yeah, let's do it.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
All right, so we can start to see a difference from this one and this one here. I mean, they were bad, but they weren't as yellow as you can see the boat. I ended up hitting it with 2,000 just because 1,000 was kind of heavy, was kind of strong, and you see a lot of the swirl marks on it. Not swirl marks, but you see a lot of the, you know, the lines from me passing it. So I went at 800, then I went at 1,000 up and down, and then I hit it at 2,000 like this. I went at 2,000 up and down, and then I finished like this at 2,000, just to kind of remove the, you know, the haze or whatever that's on it. I'm actually just like spraying water to get everything else out of it. As you can see, the chrome is like shipping in there or whatever I had, so these definitely gotta go. But you know, I figure I'd bring you guys a little video. I figure I polish them to make them look a little nice, and they're actually not coming out that bad, you know. The thing is that you see the white from, like, you know, not the chrome or whatever, and it kind of looks haze, but it really, you know, it's really not. But I'm gonna continue to hit this one with at least 2,000 for a little bit more, and yeah, we'll go from there, see how that's coming out. So I mean, see how it, whoops, see how it finishes.
Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have.
What is going on, guys? So it's actually been like 2 days since the headlight restoration that I've been trying to do. I'm actually doing another work on the car for another video. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna see if I can cover it up and I'll show you guys, but I'm doing another little job on the car just for another video to bring you guys content. You know, this car is just, this car is just starting like in its build, like it's You know, like, you know, a lot of people are telling me, oh, when are you doing the swap? When are you doing like the engine bay painting? When are you doing the painting on the car? It's like I'm doing kind of a restoration type of build. So it's like, you know, it's taking time. It's taking time. I got to go little by little. I do have a regular job. I got to pay bills like everybody. Got to pay bills like everybody. And I can't just rush everything. But it's coming along and I'm doing things little by little. I totally enjoy driving the car. But as of now, we were doing the headlight restoration. I was hitting it with 800, then I was hitting it with 1000 grit, 800 grit, 1000 grit, and then 2000 grit. I actually went with 2000 grit a little bit more, like I hit it more longer, I went in more harder on it because I wanted to bring them back to life. They're not the best headlights. I'm definitely gonna have to change to the SIRs and or the CTRs at some points, because these are in the inside, the chrome or whatever, the little chromy parts that they have, they kind of peeled, but at least they'll look nice. And I'll bring you guys a content and I'll bring you guys a video and I'll teach you how to, you know, how to do the headlight restoration. I'm gonna buff it now. I got some rubbing compounds. I'm gonna buff it. That's gonna be the final thing, just buffing it with the rubbing compound. I got the machine there, and then clearing it, and that's about it. So hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go. Alright guys, so this is as new and as good as it's gonna get. I probably could hit it a little bit more with the rubbing compound that I have right there, which I'm almost running out of. I don't have much left, and yeah, that's about it. This is as good as I'm gonna get them. These headlights are pretty old. This car is from a 97. These are the OEM Honda ones, as you can see there. This one, like I said, is all shipped right here and all that white spot. And this is as good as that's gonna get. Definitely gonna go for the SIR look hopefully soon. Not the look, but the headlights. And that's about it. Alright guys, so I'm actually done with the headlight restoration. I hit it again with 2000, but I still need to go back and hit it with some rubbing compound. I don't want to make this video any longer than it is. I cannot put clear. Once you do your headlight restoration and you hit it with 2000 grit, you're not gonna be able to put clear because it's gonna peel. And if it peels, it's just gonna look ugly. It's gonna be a headlight that's peeled. So right now, as you can see, it's with that 2000 grit, and all I gotta do is hit it with rubbing compound, and then that haze will go away, and it should look pretty brand new. Remember, 800 grit, 1000 grit, and then 2000, which will leave it as new as it's gonna get for like a 25-year-old headlight or a 22-year-old, however this car is old, is a 97. So it's gonna bring it back to life, you know, almost new. It's gonna be super clear. They are super clear, but I decided to go in again with the 2000 and leave it brand new. Just gotta go back with the rubbing compound and it should be really good to go. So yeah, that's about it. Remember to subscribe.
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained.